Full of greed, heart full of spite. Food, he can't see the light. Overeating, losing the fight. Greed, a hold her tight day and night.
Okay, welcome. This is the first rescue donation. Thanks to all of your gifted memberships, super chats, donations, etc. So, as we said before, Cats Protection is going to be the first one. And it's a registered charity, which means they get gift aid, which boosts up their donation, etc. So now I'm going to make a single donation. Now, in terms of the amount, I'm going to tell you right here. June, I received £24.81 from YouTube, and July, I received £53.62. And therefore the payment in August, which covers the previous month, come to £78.43. I became monetized, I think it was either late July or early August, so that's why there's a difference between June and July. To add to that, I had one coffee donation of £20, less the fees. That came to £18.72. So £78.43 plus £18.72 produces £97.15. Oh, is it not going to let you do? Oh, has to be whole pounds. Okay, £97. And yes, UK taxpayer, blah blah blah, and continue. Now, obviously, I am not going to show my details, so I'm going to pause recording while I enter that in. Now, it took me to PayPal as well, so obviously wasn't going to show you that on screen. But here we go, this is the end screen. You've made a donation of £97 to Cats Protection. Once again, this is down to you guys. Thank you so much for your watching. First of all, supporting the channel, liking videos, subbing, the gifted memberships, the super chats, the coffee donation, everything. We couldn't do this without you. So there we go. Thank you so much, everybody.
Belly full, but she want more. Anger rising, can't keep score. Money off the spend, can't ignore. Greed a joker till she can't adore. Belly full of greed, heart full of spite. Food, he can't see the light. Overeating, losing the fight.